Welcome to 555 Cooking Ideas, your friendly place for simple and delicious recipes from around the world. Today, I will show you how to make classic French butter croissants step by step. Croissants are flaky, buttery pastries loved all around the world. Croissants are made with simple ingredients but require patience. We start by preparing the dough. Add dry yeast to the flour. Add a little sugar to help the yeast activate. Add salt for balance. Slowly add cold milk. Mix gently until a soft dough forms. Knead the dough until smooth. Cover the dough and let it rest in the fridge. Cold butter is the key to flaky croissants. Shape the butter into a flat square. Roll the chilled dough into a rectangle. Place the butter in the center of the dough. Fold the dough over the butter to seal it. Roll the dough gently into a long rectangle. Fold the dough into layers. Chill the dough to keep the butter cold. Roll the dough again gently. Fold again to create more layers. Resting helps the dough relax. Roll the dough one last time. You can now see thin butter layers forming. Cut the dough into long triangles. Roll each triangle into a croissant shape. Place croissants on a baking tray. Let them rise slowly until puffy. Prepare egg wash for a golden finish. Brush gently with egg wash. Preheat the oven. Bake until golden and flaky. Watch them puff beautifully. The butter creates crispy layers. Remove and let cool slightly. Look at these flaky layers. Fresh croissants smell amazing. Serve warm for best taste. Croissants taste great with butter or jam. Perfect for breakfast or brunch. Enjoy with coffee or tea. You can keep them plain or fill them. Chocolate croissants are also popular. Store croissants in an airtight container. Reheat gently in the oven. Baking croissants teaches patience and care. Homemade croissants are worth the effort. Crisp outside and soft inside. A simple pleasure made at home. You are watching 555 Cooking Ideas. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video. Subscribe for more world-famous recipes. Press the bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Thank you for baking along with me today. Take care, enjoy your croissants, and see you again in the next delicious video from 555 Cooking Ideas.